Om Shanti. Divine message received at Amrit Vela. Remain unshakable and constant. Keep this gift carefully in the locker of your intellect. Today, when I went to the subtle reason, I gave Baba love and remembrance on behalf of the children and made a request. I also made a request to Brahma Baba. Brahma Baba said, Shiv Baba has my hand. Whatever he makes me do, I will do just that. I told Shiv Baba, Baba, so many of your children have come. You are the one who fulfills everyone's desires. Baba fulfilled one desires of ours. Baba instantly showed me a branch on which was written, Destiny cannot be prevented. I said to Baba, if this is destiny, then all the children who have gathered together want to meet both Shiv Baba and Brahma Baba. Bab Dada said, just as Bab Dada always meets the children in the same way, Baba will also meet the children. Then Shiv Baba said to Brahma Baba, what is your advice? Shiv Baba said, when a child grows up, the father and child become equal. So I too cannot do anything without the advice of the special beloved child. At first it was the father first and then the child, and now it is the child first and then the father. So I saw in the subtle region that both were equal and they had great love for one another. I was seeing a scene of Bab and Dada conversing like two friends. Brahma Baba said, whatever is your order. Shiv Baba said, whatever is the child's advice. Both were smiling. I said, come and meet the children just for 1 second. At that time, I looked at both of them, and from their eyes, it appeared that Brahma Baba agreed with what Shiv Baba said. Just then, Bab Dada entered the body of Guljar, the trance messenger, and spoke. Bab and Dada are always with you, and even now, in order to make you avyakt, and will always remain with you. Bab Dada is now meeting you spiritual jewels and saying farewell, and will then meet you again sometime. There is benefit in whatever happens. Bab Dada and benefit. There are no other words. Bab Dada simply spoke these two sweet words and went back to the subtle region and said to the messenger, love and remembrance. Just as at this time Baba saw love and remembrance at each one. In the same way, let there be love and remembrance all the time. This love and remembrance is like a string. You have to keep this string all the time. We will continue to meet in the middle through in this string, Baba said. The task of the establishment will continue till the end, as it has been continuing from the beginning. There will be no difference. Bab Dada will continue to give directions only through the children who have been made instruments by Baba. And children will experience how Bab and Dada's directions will be together. At the confluence age, both Bab and Dada will not become separated. Baba said, tell everyone these two words, unshakable and constant. This is a gift from both Bab and Dada. When important people go somewhere, they give a gift. In the same way, both Bab and Dada are giving you a gift of two words, unshakable and constant. Keep this in the locker of your intellect in such a way that no matter how much someone tries to steal it, the gift remains with you. Then Baba said, now for a short time I am taking leave from you. Then as the task continues, I will continue to give direction. Om Shanti.